Okay, welcome guys. Yeah, good evening everybody. Yeah, trust we're all doing good. Yeah, so this is a new week, happy new week to everybody. Yeah, and I was supposed to drop a video this morning, but I could not because of some certain issue. Yeah, you get so that was why I wasn't able to drop my usual video. So, but I actually took some trades, and I was actually like quite busy today. So I actually like wanted to do a challenge. I wanted to like for this account I actually grew it from 5,000 to $13,000, almost $14,000. Let me show you. Last 3 months, so you can see I grew the account from 5k. So I want to start again. Like I want to start all over again to see if I can still grow it to something substantial. Here you get so that will be also. I actually took some trades today. I think I took few. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I took 8 trades today, and I lost 3. Yeah, 3 SL, and the remaining 5 did well. Even though I didn't leave it to reach full TP, I took partials along the way, and the rest. If probably I had left it, I would have been up like around $600 or something. But then, so I think that will be all. Yeah, I want to. Yeah, and I currently have a trade going now. So this GBP USD. So you know my normal strategy now, supply and demand. Yes, so I want to give a trade recap on just a trade keep recap. Trades I took today and why I took them. Yeah, I took a trade on BTC. Did it go well? I think so. So yeah, I've been testing my strategy again. Like I've been backtesting and backtesting consistently now. I've done this off. Yeah, so I think there was a trade I think I will check my trading journal if I took the screenshots. I think I did. A trade that I was about to ETP like since like last week. I actually took the trades like last week, so and it was really slow. It was really slow. I don't know. Network is kind of slow tonight. But then I don't want to bore you with your process, yeah. So how did I enter this trade? So yeah, I actually missed my entry. My entry was supposed to be around this level here. Yeah, because this was the first figure fair value gap that the market printed on the 5 minutes. So that was my entry. So I missed my entry. So and I didn't even miss the entry actually, but I would have entered from this region. Once I saw the breakout of this region, I would have entered from there. But I knew market was going to come back to retest that average, so I took it from here. This was where I took the trade from, that bearish candle. So it was just a 2-hour trade. I didn't do too much. So and market actually hit TP. So normally I would have actually, if probably I was trading my normal supply and demand zone, I would have just taken the trade to probably this next high over here, or just leave it at this London high. It's surely going to take out London high. You can see market is still going to come back to take out liquidity from our previous sections. So that's how I actually did it. So okay, this was on GBP USD. Okay, so I was looking for, it was a trade on BTC USD I was looking for. Okay, yeah, so I'm trying to see if I've not deleted, because I think I have deleted most of. Yeah, I think I have deleted it. Yeah, but I'll check my trading journal if I have the screenshot. Yeah, so this was BTC USD. So I actually traded 3 pairs during 3 or 4 pairs during New York session. So I saw this was my ORB. I saw the breakout. I just took out. I took a sell because market actually broke to the downside. So, and the overall trend was a downtrend. I just took this out, and that was that for BTC. And gave me to trade. Like, I didn't do too much. So XAUSD. So today we had a very good win on XAUSD. So sorry guys, network is actually bad tonight. Yep. Okay, so I took one trade this morning. Sorry about that. So I took a trade this morning. Right, so it was actually off a. This was, I think, a supply zone. Yeah. I don't even. Why did I even mark this one? So let me go to the left. I want to see where I marked this one initially. Oh, I think there was a mistake there. So it's only right. But then, so this was my intended supply zone. So this supply zone actually turned demand. So I noticed that price actually broke above this level and came back to retest this zone. And why I actually took this trade was because of this liquidity right here. I knew that market was eventually going to come out, take out that liquidity. So, and yeah, price mitigated this zone right here. I saw an engulfing candle, and I was waiting for extra confirmation. I was waiting for like a fair value gap, and fair value gap. Yeah, I was waiting for a fair value gap around this region. Yeah, and it actually formed there. So I actually took the trade. So this was my first trade on gold this morning. So it was like around, what time was that? Around 1 this afternoon. Yeah, so, and so I was targeting a 3RR for this. So my trades on gold today was this two, it was a 3, so that was like 6%. So this was, yeah, it's TP, full TP at joining New York section, and this so it's TP, final TP. So this was my trade on gold today. Let me take a screenshot of this. Yeah, that was my trade on gold today. So that was what even boost my portfolio. So I think I took a trade on Euro USD as well. Yeah, I think I did. Did I? Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. So this was a demand, a supply zone. Yeah, this was a supply zone that I marked out. I noticed that price actually disrespected it. So you can see, yeah, I think I still have. This was the trade from last week. This was from last week. This we actually got stopped out too. I think this was like over the weekend. Yeah, this was over the weekend. I actually held the trade over the weekend. All the trades I held over the weekend, everything got stopped out. So I was looking for better opportunities here. So you can see market actually reacted off this the supply zone like multiple times. And once you see price mitigating a supply zone or demand zone multiple times, the tendency of it breaking to the upside. I purposely didn't delete it yet because that's easy as my conference. So as my next supply zone, because I know price was going to eventually come back to mitigate it, and this was it right here. Actually mitigated that zone and pushed to the upside. And yeah, so I took this earlier during the first half on New York session. Yeah, so that was my RRB strategy. So I think that I just targeted it to RRB. Yeah. So that was it for Euro USD. I just because I had pending trades already, so I was not looking for more opportunities in the market. Probably I took this demand zone here. I probably have taken the trade up here. I would have probably gotten like a 2 hour or something here, at least. But then, yeah, I think that's about that. So I think I've reviewed GPUSD. That was the first I reviewed. Yeah, I think that was the first I reviewed. Yep. So this was a 2 hour. Then GPY, I think that was a loss. I think I took a loss. Yeah, I got stopped out. More for GPY was actually like quite choppy. And funny enough, as it is, I'm seeing a level of consolidation on GPY. Seeing a massive consolidation. I know that price might eventually want to come back to take out these lows here, these highs rather. Price want to come back to take out this whole region of consolidation, then go back to his intended direction, maybe towards the upside or the downside. So I think I'll stay off GPY for now till I get a clear direction on where he wants to go. It's just consolidating. And yeah, did I take any trade on UJ? I doubt it. I did not. Yeah, I think I did. I didn't take any trade. Yeah, so what I should be looking out for a sell on USD because market is actually building up liquidity around this area. Market is building liquidity around this area. And say this is an inducement. So some people might have actually taken this trade off this region, but I'll just wait patiently because it's actually going to retrace back and from there go back to the downside. So, and that will be all for tonight. Yeah, I'll see you guys again tomorrow morning by the grace of God. Yeah, stay blessed, stay poor.